Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur background and add depth in your videos using InShot, perfect for cinematic or focused look. Let's dive in. First open the InShot and start a new project with your video. Now, if your video doesn't fill the screen, the InShot will automatically add a blur background, and here's how to customize it. Tap the canvas if you choose a 9:16 aspect ratio. Tap background and you'll see option like blur, and this create a depth or field effect. Adjust the intensity with the slider, and you can also tap the background and you can add a solid color or gradient. Choose this if you want more graphic look. And to add a depth, tap the PIP or picture in picture and re-import the same video. You can resize the PIP layer smaller and position it in the center screen. Now go to the bottom layer and apply a heavy blur. This makes your main clip pop. You can also add a drop shadow to your PIP for a floating effect, and that's optional if you like it. And that's how to blur the background and add depth in InShot like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment blur if you want more tips like this. Thanks for watching.